Let's see. Oh, fuck. Okay, we are going to start to work on this rear shaft drive from BMW. So it's R60-7. So it's 600 cubic centimeters. It's 1977, and you have a playlist on my channel for that bike. That is the bike that I bought with my brother, and we'll restore it. So we'll, vintage bike, boxer motor, really nice. And now we have a problem with if you watch that videos, if you didn't, we have a problem with this rear shaft drive. Actually, not with the shaft drive, but with this part. So here there is a seal that prevent oil from shaft road go to the shaft drive. So you have separate oils for shaft road and a separate one for rear shaft drive. So we put here the oil, and oil would sip into this and overfill, of course, because it was too much oil in the rear shaft. So we have the seal here that needs to be replaced. The best thing how you will test do you have that problem is to put the shaft drive like this over the night, and here is the puddle of drive oil that sip through that gasket, so we need to change it. We already order gasket, they are somewhere here, and we ordered the whole set of gaskets. So we will change all gaskets here on the rear shaft drive. And the first thing, of course, before anything off the camera, I clean the shaft drive, so I want to be perfectly clean before disassembling it and continue work on it. Okay. So I cracked this, just start them to remove them. I will use, now we need to remove all the screws, so there are like 10 screws, let's call this. Okay, and now we need 5mm screws. There are washers here. We will remove them too. But what we need is a 5mm screw that will, push this out, so it will push into this case, and it will bring out find this okay, a little bit from each side. So let's see. Oh fuck. Yeah. Fuck. Look at this. Let me clean that a little bit so you'll see better. Look, these are seems fine. You know, I thought this is worn out, but actually that is just reflection. They seems really fine. This is the paper. They seem fine. And how it's possible that they are fine and these ones are like this? Look at this. Look at this shit. Motherfuck. This is total waste. You know. I think we will need a new part here. That's for sure, but you know, it seems like I don't see any residue. Oh yes, there is. Look at this. Look at this. You don't want to find stuff like this.